Unsay ngalan nimo, sir?
Adrian.
Hi, miss. What's your name?
Andrea Condesa.
Hello, I'm Dior Subico.
Hi, sir. What's your name?
Sir, I'm Charlo, sir.
Nagunsa ka karon, sir?
Nag-browse ko ron sa Facebook.
Nakao na ka, sir?
Mana ko kaon.
Kanang kuan, sir, kanang unsa na part sa imong trabaho imong ganahan, sir?
Mag-explore mga butang nga wapo ko kay bawo.
Of course, lunch.
I think one of the things that I love about my job is working with my colleagues because they're so fun to be with and they're so funny.
Snack time.
Nganong gipili man nimo ang installers PH, sir?
Mao may pinakauna nga ni offer na ko job.
They were expertise in IT solutions, and then they are a trusted provider, and they are customer-centric approach.
I think one of the reason of choosing Installers PH IT solution is our alignment of our vision and mission in life in general.
Kay Installers PH daghan siya ma-offer nga mga kuan. Ma-explore gyud ba nato ang atong abilidad, daghan tag makatunan.
Unsa may buhaton sa installers PH, sir?
Daghan tag provide og mga IT solutions. Example sa na is mag-provide tag queuing management system, boom barrier and CCTV installation.
The main task that Installers PH do is we do sell our products and services to our clients.
Installation tanan na mga cabling, structure nya, install CCTV, boom barrier tanan lahat na.
What is your advice for students who wants to do what you do?
I think take your studies seriously because it will benefit you in the real world.
Ang ako mga advice sa nila is explore lang sila sa nilang mga gusto nilang buhaton kay depende rin gina sa tao kung sa imong ganahan.
My advice to them is they must develop their strong organizational skills and stay professional and adaptable, and then keep learning and growing.
Ang gusto na ko lang nga magmaningkamot sila, explore gyud nila ilang kuan nga makat-on gyud sila diri sa Installers PH. Dili sila mohunong sa ilang mga pangandoy. Dapat kabuoton gyud nila.